Lee, video from your boy Libby, Pokemon related again. So, finally found some um, Shredder Fable at my local Target in Oakdale because I don't know, for some reason it was slow. So I finally found some. So got another one of this pack, and also got this one. So probably the last time I'm buying the products. Otherwise, then probably just go buy singles if I really want to cross from it. Okay, let's get cracking at it. Yeah, normally I show the other way of me opening it, but I'm like, you know what? Let's get started. Oh, here's the promo card. Let's see what I get. And then I guess we open the other one in another video. So that way I have, yeah, because otherwise it'd be too long and people will lose interest. Okay, okay. Ooh, okay, that's nice. Regular and a hollow. Okay. Alright. Next pack. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, again, poets are not too good, but if you like this set, yeah, go for it. Oh my gosh, that's nice. That is very nice. But about the other about let's see what one is it. Well, this one is useless. It's useless, but it's still good though. EX. Hopefully, I pull like two of those um, from the other packs. Last pack magic for this one. Alrighty. Still not a fan of these new energy cards. But it's whatever. Okay, here we go. And my next video will be about opening the other one.